The rich baby boomers are the richest people who ever lived. The median baby boomer in the United States has $150,000 in their pension.
Jeez.
That's basically going to see them, let's assume they spend 50 grand a year. That's 3 years. How are they ever going to survive? Which is what's keeping them having to work in their 70s in Walmart. It's horrific. And their kids, the millennials, well, there was 86 million of them.
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. In this video, Raoul Pal delves into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the evolving future of digital assets. With his signature insights, he unpacks trends shaping the market. Let's catch him up to learn more.
It wasn't as large a percentage as the baby boomers were, but 86 million millennials, and guess what? Everyone's working 3 jobs. Why? Too many millennials. Look at what happened to university degrees. They were told this story, get a university degree. It's the most valuable thing you can do. You'll earn more money. All the millennials, being quite a compliant cohort, all went and got a university degree.
Right.
What happens? You devalued them. You debased university degrees to worthless pieces of paper. So then they all had to go and do master's degrees. And they were still worthless.
And behind those degrees, there's again the same word, debt.
Yeah, so they forced you into doing it, telling you this is the only way to unfuck your future whilst fucking you with debt.
Right.
So the average master's degree student leaves with $120,000 in debt at the age of 24 years old, is working now 3 jobs, can't afford to move out of their parents, can't afford to get married, can't afford to buy a house. Okay, so the next 10 years of their lives is paying off the $120,000. They can't make investments. Really? Is this what we're going to do to people? That's what we've done. And this is why people are opting out. And this is why people are angry, is we are not solving this. We're making it worse. And we make it worse because we keep financializing everybody. And here we've got this asset, again, that's outside of this financial system. It's a parallel one that's being bootstrapped from the ground up by the people for the people. And they will take it.
Bitcoin has surged to a record-breaking high just hours before Donald Trump's inauguration as the 47th President of the United States. On January 20, Bitcoin's price jumped over 8%, reaching $109,356 on Bitstamp, marking an impressive 70% rise since Trump's election victory in November. This historic price movement is being fueled by anticipation surrounding Trump's pro-crypto policies, including a proposal to integrate Bitcoin into the U.S. Strategic Reserve. Market speculation has been rampant, with platforms like Polymarket assigning a 58 to 60% probability to this bold initiative, becoming reality within Trump's first 100 days. The buzz has also been amplified by reports of Trump's plans to establish a cryptocurrency advisory council aimed at fostering a more favorable regulatory environment for digital assets. Adding to the excitement, U.S. Bitcoin ETF have reported record inflows, with $2.35 billion added over just 3 days. This influx highlights increasing institutional interest in Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Technical analysis further suggests Bitcoin's trajectory may continue upward, with a symmetrical triangle pattern signaling a potential price target of $128,000 by March. The momentum surrounding Bitcoin's ascent reflects growing confidence in its place as a cornerstone of financial future.
I've been blessed with something, and that's somewhat the ability to see the future. And I can also see around me and recognize that people are fucking angry. And I can see why. I'm one of the very few people who put together all these component parts. Almost nobody's put together that it's World War II that caused it.
Right.
Or World War I, actually, and it was the fall of the Ottoman Empire and the end of the British Empire.
It makes so much sense.
It's all the same thing. And I figured out how the economic machine works and what's driving it and the debt thing. So if I can help people get off this journey and onto a new journey, then we can reset all over again. And if I can do that and still make money out of it myself, I can walk away with a sense of pride. I've unfucked my own future, and I've taken millions of people along with me. Now, I won't be perfect. I will get many things wrong. People will hate me for periods of time, and that's painful. But I don't know any way around it. And I'm pretty damn sure I'm right. And I've been right since 2013. I mean, don't forget, it was $200 back then when I said it was the greatest trade of all time. I didn't hold on to it all the time. I've owned it for most of it, but I still fucked it up myself. But
you missed that 10x, right?
Yeah. No, well, let me explain. I bought it at 200, sold it at 2,000. Then it went up to 20,000. Fine. It then fell, and I did the right thing. It was buying a bear market, and it was down 50%. But I bought it back at 6,500. And so, if I'd have just held by 200, I would have made a lot more money. But anyway, so what's so amazing about this is basically I can forget all of the description of the space. This will make a higher return than building any business you will ever build. These fancy SaaS businesses, they grow at like 50% a year. That's an amazing business. This thing grows at 150% a year. So it almost makes doing anything else irrelevant. You're almost better to just sell your house and sell your assets, fuck off to a beach shack in El Salvador, stick it in Bitcoin, come back in 10 years' time, and your life will have been changed forever. And that sounds stupid, but that's what it is. You said you can go and work for Mars, one of the great consumer marketing companies of all time, and you can get free Mars bars. We can go and work for a bank and get free money. Oof. So it's like, you can apply that to anything. You can be an investor and you can make 8% a year because you own the S&P 500. Or you can be an investor in cryptocurrencies and make 150% a year. You can go and work in finance industry now. Let's say you want to work for a hedge fund because that was glamorous. And the hedge fund industry is shrinking. And the returns have gone down from when I first started, a great macro hedge fund would try and make 30% a year returns. They now are forced by their investor base to make 6% returns. So you don't make any money, but it's still deemed to be glamorous. There's still some shine on it.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to go and be an investor, go and be in crypto, where the returns are miles higher and you're going to get paid and you're going to get rich. Look for the secular trend. And it's not always the technology trend. It doesn't have to be technology or crypto. It can be the complete opposite too.
Bitcoin made headlines again as it surged nearly 10% in a single hour on January 10, creating what analysts call a God candle. This dramatic rise pushed the cryptocurrency to an all-time high of $109,356 on Bitstamp, marking a 9.6% increase from lows just days prior. Traders are now buzzing with excitement, speculating that this could be the start of a rally toward $130,000. The surge coincides with significant market events, including the return of Donald Trump to office and his controversial memecoin launch, which caused ripples across the crypto landscape. While Bitcoin's rise follows a week of volatility, its resilience is clear. Data from CoinGlass shows that Bitcoin's rebound reversed over $3 billion in open interest losses, with a fresh $4.74 billion injected into futures markets. Analysts like Gel believe Bitcoin's breakout from a descending triangle pattern signals a bullish move. With liquidations reaching $52 million in an hour, momentum appears unstoppable, hinting at even greater highs ahead. Michael Saylor's cryptic message, "Things will be different tomorrow," has sparked speculation about MicroStrategy's next big Bitcoin move. The company, renowned for its aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy, currently holds an astounding 450,000 BTC, with the value of these holdings surging by 68%, representing a staggering $19.055 billion increase. This performance has not only fortified MicroStrategy's position as a leader in Bitcoin investments, but has also boosted its stock price by 152% over the past 6 months. Since 2020, MicroStrategy has invested $28.179 billion in Bitcoin, employing leveraged debt to fund these purchases. The firm's commitment to dollar-cost averaging has proven lucrative, with its holdings now valued at $47.234 billion as of January 19, 2025. Sailor's hints often precede new Bitcoin acquisitions, and his latest statement, paired with a screenshot of the company's portfolio tracker, has many anticipating another purchase. Had MicroStrategy chosen Ethereum instead of Bitcoin, their returns would pale in comparison. According to blockchaincenter.net, Ethereum investments would have yielded only a 33% gain, falling short by nearly $10 billion compared to their Bitcoin reserves. This decision underscores MicroStrategy's unwavering belief in Bitcoin's long-term supremacy over other digital assets. With its innovative approach and bold strategy, MicroStrategy continues to position itself as a trailblazer at the intersection of finance and digital transformation, showcasing the potential of Bitcoin as a cornerstone of corporate growth. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.